How to make Google Maps talk while driving. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So it was very easy. For that we will simply click on Google Maps. So I will simply click on Maps. Once we click on that, here you guys will see on top right corner small profile picture. Simply click on that. Once we click on that, here you guys will scroll till end. Now here click on settings. Once we click here you guys will simply scroll. Now here you guys will see navigation. So simply click on navigation. Once we click on navigation, here you guys will see sound voice. Also you guys will see mute setup. So simply click on unmute it. Also guidance volume, simply click on louder. So once you click on that, after that scroll, here you guys will see play audio cues. So simply click on that, and after that alert option you need to on it. Avoid tool roads is upon you, but once you do that setting, after that you will simply go to your route and your voice will be on. So that's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.